What it do though? So this wig was actually given to me by a very known YouTuber. I'm very hesitant to say who she is, because she's popular. But this wax stick and this hair bond glue type thing to glue the edges down, baby, it's no joke. First of all, this YouTuber layered the crap out of this hair, so the layers are so good. I use the wax stick to actually, as you can see, to kind of slick it back and comb it back so that I don't have any flyaways when I'm laying the closure. No, I do not have any wig cap underneath this. Can you see that? That's my hair, no wig cap. And what I did is I just flip it back, and then I use my foundation brush and just like rub it on the edges to like give a tint. No wig cap, bro. And I put pink pencil to kind of outline it. Don't do that. Don't. It took 2 days to get off. Don't do that. Zuna, honey. Use brown. Use something that's close to your skin tone that you can like just blend in. This is the money maker right here. Good grip. Like she called me name because she said good grip. Yeah. I mean she talk. Good grip. Yeah. I keep an answer because I me that and I you that because answer me right through. Alright, that's she. So now I'm just I listen to them on YouTube. Them do that and then push it back with the comb. And I could use my finger because it's sticky. I said I could use my finger because it's sticky. Oh my god, I'm going to hell. I ain't no joke. So you see how clear it goes? Like it dries clear. Then I'm gonna go again and put on more upon it and then make it dry down a little bit more. See my ear there, see my earline there. So I put it not pan, I put it on like below my hairline because the truth is my forehead big. So me can do this. If I forehead a little, is that my feel bad feel like my understand say little baby. But I don't know what you got to do, baby. I don't know, baby. I don't know. I'm going to tell you that pink pencil, the Nena come off. The pink pencil, Nena come off. The pink does shine bright like a diamond. I like the pink rattle. The pink shine bright like a diamond. So I just using like the comb thingy to kind of remove some of the excess glue from where it's not supposed to be. Go ahead and see how like it dried up but not completely. And then I'm going to flip this over. Go ahead, girl. Don't be scared. Okay. And it's so sticky. I was like, do I have to? I was trying to kind of like move it down for it to be a little bit more down. But it's so sticky. It's so sticky. I wanted it to come down some more, but I couldn't. I was like, I just make it stay. Because that's my first time doing this in such a very, very long time. I'm talking years. Years, bro. Yeah. Okay, so now I did this is how I curl the hair up. So I brush it out and then I straighten it with a flat iron and then I rod it up with the flexi rods. These big flexi rods, they give more like a beach wave type thing, and because of the layers, the waves it stayed. If your hair isn't layered, it's not gonna, the waves not gonna stay. It is going to fall throughout the day. So keep that in mind. As I said, this wig was gifted to me when I was coming here. I'm currently in Florida. I'm recording this. When I was coming in here over here, I had reached out to him like, hey babe, I'm about to leave the island. I ain't got no wigs. I had no wigs. I only have one wig, and that's the blonde one that I got from El Diva, and that's one that I've been wearing for like lots of my media presentations, you see me? So I reached out to her. She gave me the wig. She gave me a couple actually, and this is one of them. I don't know the company that she got it from. She just gave them to me, Zine. So yeah, I'm sorry I don't have much details on the wig. But yeah, so that's all I did, and the rest of this video is gonna be like an update vlog type style, me just talking to you guys, and the hair in the video is the same hair that I'm wearing, Zine. So guys, thank you so much. My Zelle information is below. It's lyricrochester at yahoo.com if it is that you still want to give, and my cash app is $lyric MUA. That information will be below as well. I'll be having classes, master classes in Florida, Connecticut, Washington DC, and in New York in October. I'm only going to be here for a short period, so I'm probably going to be in like 2 states for like 1 week, you know what I mean? So it's going to be fast paced. We are looking about the venues now, getting promotions underway, and yeah, thanks for your support so far, you guys. I love you. Thank you so much. Hi guys, so I know I'm looking snatched, but I'm pulling it in. Pulling it in, letting it all hang out. Pulling it in. So yeah, I'm here in Florida, and just thought, okay, Mr. Carcer, just thought I'll give you guys an update. I am doing good. Thank you for your concern, you guys. It really means a lot to me. And yes, I'll be having classes in 3 different states: Connecticut, Florida, and Washington DC when I come back up in October. So it's gonna be, oh, foreign, one day foreign better not have an accent. Anyway, yeah, so I'll be doing those classes when I come back up. There will be master classes, there'll be more students. My aim is to get, I really want to get 70 to 100 students per location. If you're a past student, past certified student, all you have to do is show me your certificate that I gave you, and you pay the balance of the course. Say the course is $750. I need a class with me for like $300. You only pay like $400. You only pay the balance. You only pay the difference of the classes. You don't pay like the full amount. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. I'll be speaking with the person from Washington DC in a couple of days. We're also planning an event with Josiah Speaks Hope. Josiah Speaks Hope is a non-profit organization for women who have suffered pregnancy loss. Hold on. This truck, baby. Yeah, so that's for women who have suffered pregnancy loss, and yeah, that's the aim for when I come back up in October. Yeah, so just want to update you guys. You guys know I'm okay, I'm fine. This hair glue, I have no cap underneath it, none whatsoever, and it's holding up. It's been holding up, that's why I'm using it again. I have one red wig that I got from El Diva. That one is a closure, so that won't be easy for me to do. Oh, my battery is dying. Great, just great, but I'm doing good. I look crazy, but I just got a package I've been waiting on today since it was ordered. I'm gonna wait for a very, very long time. If you follow my IG stories, well, on my Instagram, you don't know, and I've been waiting on this bad boy. This is the reason that I'm able to edit this video. This is because of you guys. I did not buy this. You guys did. You guys did. You guys did this. I shared my story with you, and you guys gave. My PayPal is not working, so I'm going to leave instructions on how, if I had sent my money through PayPal, I'll be leaving instructions how you can rectify it. I'm pulling it. I'm trying to get it off. You guys, I did not buy this. This is all you. This is all you. This is all you. This is all you, you guys. Thank you so much. Let me go ahead and pull it off. Thank you so much. Why she load up herself like that? Baby, enough is so loud. This is because of you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.